Alright guys, hey, we are here at the Venetian. They sent me a bounce back offer. I haven't been here in several years, so thought I'd come check in and see what the hotel rooms are like, see if they've updated anything. I'll flip this around, staying in 15236, and let's go on in. Start off here into the bathroom, and as you can see, you got your dual sinks. We just dropped our stuff in. We really haven't checked out the room. Nice soaking tub, no jets. Standard kind of typical shower. And this is just a entry basic room here at the Venetian, so then you got your commode, as the fancy people say. It's about 750 square feet if I remember right. We got the 2 queens since I'm here with Jason, that you guys know from the channel. Got your typical closet, safe. 2 queens. Decent sized TV. Doesn't look fairly new. It's but a decent size. Little mini bar setup. Not seeing a fridge. Let's open these. Nope, they're just drawers. No fridge there. Maybe here in this other one. Now the thing you do have is it's a sunk down living room space, which I do like, and that's a standard thing in all the rooms. So you got your couch seating area, more available seating, little desk area, place to eat. Not much of a view. We are on the 15th floor, but we're overlooking some parking, which is what that is across. And then another TV, bar area. And did we have a fridge? Bar fridge, but not a personal fridge. So there's a view of the room from the sunken in living room. And there you go. So this room was comped here as part of their bounce back offer. Since I hadn't gambled here, I kind of asked some questions, and they said if you have 2 years of inactivity on their card, they will send you 3 offers, and if you don't use any of their offers that they send after 2 years of inactivity, then they will just stop sending you anything. So little kind of tip trick: if you don't play here a lot, know that if they do send you an offer, you've got to use one of those 3 offers that they send you, or they'll stop sending them to you altogether. So once again, we're at the Palazzo 15236, and that was your room review. I hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll show you some other ones from Vegas. Alright guys, we started with a $1,100 ticket and have built it up a little bit and just got this. That mini's sitting at 100. This is where we're at. We're in the high limit room at the Venetian, and so we're sitting at 630. Let's add to it. Here we go. Big numbers. There's another 200 bucks. Wow. Gonna be what it wants. Can it? Another 100. Nice. Drop some words in there too. Another 50. Come on now. Keep us going. Something good here. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there we go. Another $50 save. We're just under a hand pay. Save us, come on. Put it in there. Nice. Nice. All right, we got that music change. Here we go. Come on, smack. Hit it, hit it. Ooh. Okay, last one. Oh, you guys. Come on.
If you hit that, I'm probably gonna have a stroke.
All right, guys, we got 3 chances. Come on. Last one. Do it, do it, do it. Put it there. Hey, we'll take it though. I think we're right around 1,100 bucks. We might be, oh, we're way over. We're at a handpay, guys. Yeah. Just barely. Hey, there it is right there. First handpay of the trip. Little baby one. One more square and it changes everything. But we will take it. And we'll wait to get paid out on that. And we'll be back.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we put 500 bucks in playing the $1 Million Dragon Link. $1 denom, $25 bets, and we got our pots. Come on, something good. Don't let me down. Oh. 2 more, 2 more. Couple of $30 lines. Couple of bucks. Ooh, come on, re-trigger a bonus, come on. All right, 300 bucks gets us back up to even. We'll be back. We're gonna play it out. We're either gonna double up or go broke. All right, guys. A few spins later, we pop some balls. We're starting at 250, 325. Let's get that green one right there. I've never had a super high limit blue, so we'll take that. Let's go. Come on now. All right. We'll take these. Nice, yeah, nice music change. Come on. Change my life. $1 Million head. Come on, come on, come on. All right, last one. Give us one more. Keep us in it. Come on. All right. And just like that, our 500 bucks is turned into a little over 1,100, almost 12. All right, guys, we'll play it down. We'll give it a few more spins. See what we do here. Hope everybody's having a great day when you're watching this. Nice to be back in the casino after that little break. Make sure you guys check out my channel memberships. Helps support the channel and do some of our fun giveaways. Come on, pots. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna... Ooh, we're gonna do one more. right, got our money back. One more. All right, that's gonna end it for us right there. $9.99. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.